You ready to see it?
Yeah.
Well, here it is. This is Get It Sorted. Come with me. With all good game shows, all of our games have been tested by guinea pigs. Here they are, accompanied by the voice of the one and only Ronnie Corbett.
This is Ant and Dec's personal sorting office. A succession of strangely shaped items of fan mail will travel along the belt. Players must sort the packages through the matching holes in the wall behind them. When all the packages have been sorted successfully, they can push the button to stop the cash countdown.
And we need to play this game with one of you at a time. So for the first game, the families will play in alphabetical order, which means the Fosters will go first.
To make sure you don't see how the game works and get an unfair advantage, I'm going to ask you and the rest of the Greenwoods to go backstage while Melissa plays the game, OK? Yeah? We'll see her in a minute. We'll see her again in a minute. But for now, Lucy Beth and the Greenwoods, everybody.
OK, Melissa, there are 16 pieces of fan mail, OK? But 3 of them are red herrings. They're not for us. They're for Dermot O'Leary, OK? They've been mixed in with our fan mail. They're for him. We don't want them. You've got to do what we do when we find Dermot O'Leary's fan mail, check it for money, then throw it in the bin. That's what we do, OK? And just for you at home, here are the 3 pieces of fan mail for O'Leary.
Melissa, are you ready? You ready? You understand it?
Yes, I understand
OK, let's get you in position then.
Oh, gosh.
Good luck. First person, first game. All right, then, here we go. The time starts and ends when you push the button.
Go!
So, here we are. Where is scissors there? Where do they fit? Well done. She's found it already. There's the bruise. Over that.
Really good time, Miss. Really good time.
You need to push it all the way through, Melissa. It needs to go all the way through. It has to fit
Melissa,
through.
you've got to push it through. One in the bin. First one in the bin.
That's it, lots out from the family. What are you keeping up to? Don't worry, they will go back round. What we got? Oh, teddy bear. That's a big one. Here we go. You do it very well. Here. We will come back to you, Melissa. Keep going. Your money is counting down. You've got to keep going here. Here's the ball, right?
It's got to go through the line. It's got to go through the line.
Gotta go through, Melissa. OK, anything else to come? Oh, there it is. Before, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with that? Well done. Well done. I don't know about you, but I'm knackered. Oh, wow. How was it?
Oh, gosh, I'm knackered.
Listen, Melissa, well done. You stopped your total at 88,700. Well done.
Really good
Go
work.
back and rejoin your family. And please welcome back Lucy Beth and the Greenwoods.
You ready to go for it? You just want to get into it now?
Take a deep breath. Oh, I like it.
You want to go for this?
I'm ready. I'm
First
definitely
game
ready.
of the night.
Yeah.
OK, your time starts and ends, Lucy Beth, when you push the button. She's on! Here we go.
Watch out, family, watch out. That's it, Lucy Beth, scissors. They have that. All the way through. Well done. Good start. And award next. Well done, that's a very good start. Good dog. Right, this goes back in. Got to go in the right way around. You're doing well here. Got the palm tree.
Here's another.
What we got? Oh, careful.
Another one in the bin.
Let's go back around again. We will come back around this bit. Don't worry.
Top for the big one.
Wake up, girl. Have a good look. Well done. Have a good look now.
She's got it. She's got it.
Come on, Mr. Beth. All right, baby. Well done. That's Dexter and try. Here comes the teapot again. Let's go. We've got the teapot. Keep an eye out. Where's it going to go? Well done.
Well done. You managed to stop your toll at 89,693. And let's find out how things stand after game one. Here's Ronnie Corbett.
After tonight's first game, the Fosters are in second place on 88,754. That means it's the Greenwoods who have taken an early lead on 89,693.
Right, time for a quick break, but when we come back, we'll be introducing you to this fella.
Sure, I recognise him from somewhere. See you in a few minutes. Welcome back to the Push the Button Celebrity Dentist. And may I say a big congratulations to you, sir, on being my first ever patient.
What?
I know. Lucky you, eh? Let's have a look at the old manual, see what it says.
Is there another dentist I could see?
Afraid not. Stuck with me. All right, let's see. Step one. Ensure teeth are clean. Well, we can do that. That's easy enough, can't we, eh?
I think it means ensure my teeth are
Yes,
clean.
please don't interrupt me, sir, when I'm preparing for a procedure. Very important. What it says here. Step two. Full rinse before beginning the procedure. It's easy, this dentistry lark, isn't it?
Again, I think it means ensure...
Please don't interrupt, sir. You're really beginning to get on my pip. Let's see what it says. Step three. A big lungful of gas. Well, we can do that, can't we? What now?
Nothing.
Good. Now, for the drilling.
Quick, Ronnie. What are the totals?
After tonight's first game, the Fosters are in second place on 88,754. That means it's the Greenwoods who have taken an early lead on 89,693.
Right, time for game two, and I can now reveal that playing this one for the Greenwoods is Lorraine.
Next up for the Fosters is Daniel. So, Lorraine, Daniel, come and join us for the second family puzzle.
How are you, Lorraine, all right?
Oh, I'm fine.
Now, you Greenwoods have been beside yourselves all week. What on earth's going to happen if you actually win tonight?
Well, I'm really worried about that because, you know, my sister, if she starts
Yes.
jumping anymore, we could have a water problem.